A very good morning to all my lovely children. Today we're going to solve the English assignment dated 6th July and the topic is the shepherd's treasure. So now let's start with the assignment. The first question: where did the shepherd live and was he uneducated? So there are basically two parts in the question: where did he live and was he educated or not? So let's see the answer. The shepherd lived in a cave in a village. He was poor. He did not have even a small cottage of his own. He had never been to school, for there were very few schools in those days. So, even if he wanted to get educated, even he wanted to study, there was no chance because there were very less number of schools. And he lived in a cave. He did not have his own house or cottage. Let's move on to the second question. In spite of being uneducated, what special quality did the shepherd have? So he was uneducated, but what was that one special thing in him? Let's see the answer. Though poor and uneducated, this shepherd was very wise. Many people came to him for advice. So this shepherd was very well educated, not well educated, but still he was very kind hearted, he was very wise and used to help people in their problems. So that's why people used to come to him and seek advice. Let's move on to the third question. Why did the king of the country want to meet the shepherd? Now let's see the answer first. The shepherd was famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. The king of that country heard about him and thought to meet the shepherd himself and check it out. So basically, the king has heard so much about the shepherd, all about his good deeds, all about his positivity. So king wanted to confirm and king wanted to check on his own. He wanted to meet him and he wanted to check whether whatever he is hearing is correct or not. Let's move on to the next question. How did the king decide to meet the shepherd? The answer is the king decided to meet him in disguise. In bracket, I have written incognito. It basically means when you hide your original identity, when you be like somebody else, when you wear specs, mustache that is not to you, and you look like somebody else. So when you hide your identity, that means you are in disguise. So the king decided to meet him, but king hid his identity. Next. And the last question, this is the last question for today's assignment. How hospitable was the shepherd? Hospitable means how kind, how welcoming he was. So let's see the answer. When the shepherd saw the traveler coming towards the cave, he rose to welcome him and gave him water to drink and a share of his own meager meal. In bracket, I have written limited. It means very small amount of meal. So, when shepherd saw that the traveler is coming towards me, the traveler is coming towards my cave, he got up, he gave him water, he welcomed him, and he also gave him a little bit of his food that he was having. So, this was the entire assignment. I hope the solutions are clear, the question answers are clear. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.